Do Reddit ads even work in 2026? In this video, I'll break it down based on our real agency experience, including how Reddit is smashing Google and Meta performance, but only for some businesses, definitely not for everybody. Now, I'll explain if Reddit could be right for your business, and should you decide to go the Reddit route, how you can get results like these. So let's get into it. Now, my agency, we first started testing Reddit ads several years back. Now, results were okay, but they were nothing special. Our Meta and our Google campaigns were delivering way better return on investment, so we scaled everything into those platforms and we left Reddit behind. But late 2025 changed the game. Reddit rolled out major AI upgrades to their ad platform, and suddenly we have started seeing huge outperformance against Meta and Google, but only for some clients. We're talking 17% lower cost per acquisition, 27% higher conversions, and even 50 times return on ad spend at scale in the right niches. Now, for one client, we turned £4,000 ad spend into £200,000 revenue every single month. This is a huge 50-time return on ad spend compared to a 25 times return on ad spend on Meta and 15 times on Google for the same client using the same copy, creatives, landing pages, etc. So Reddit ads can be hugely powerful. But why can Reddit ads be so powerful? So imagine you own a shop in a busy town that sells astronomy telescopes, for example. Now, when you walk through that town center, you come across a group of 100 people, all eagerly discussing astronomy, telescopes, the planets and the stars, etc. They meet at the same place frequently, purely to discuss these subjects. Now imagine you approach that group and you start engaging with them, telling them about the amazing products that you sell. Now, of course, they're going to buy some products from you. Only an idiot in those situations wouldn't make any sales. And this is exactly where Reddit is so powerful. Reddit has hundreds of thousands of these niche communities. Now, where we as an agency can find communities highly relevant to our client's business on Reddit who eagerly discuss topics around their products and services, we always find unbeatable ROAS campaigns. Now, bookmark this because I'd like to make a bet with you. We do all the paid advertising for our clients at a company called Wicked Brick. They've never done Reddit ads before and will hopefully be launching their strategy soon. Now, I am convinced we'll smash the Meta and Google performance for Wicked Brick on that platform. And let me explain why. Wicked Brick displays cases. They sell products that are highly relevant to Star Wars fans, Warhammer fans, Lego fans, and more. And Reddit is filled with literally millions of people eagerly discussing those topics. Now, bookmark this because once we've launched their Reddit ads, if we don't achieve at least a 30 times return on ad spend in 1 month, I'll get my wife to do the next video topless. In my view, Reddit ads is most powerful where you have highly aligned communities eagerly discussing subject matters closely linked to your products or services. You can directly target your advertising at these communities specifically. You can also target based on demographics, keywords, interest, audiences, much like you can across Meta and Google, and this is still effective, but where you will strike real gold with Reddit is within the community targeting that I described above. One of the big reasons we struck such instant success with Reddit ads is that we'd already been advertising for our clients on Meta and conducted lots of testing to refine our creatives, copywriting, audiences, etc. And we took all of that information into Reddit to hit the ground running. So our results may not be typical, but if you can find clusters of your ideal target customer in communities on Reddit, I'm positive that this is a highly lucrative marketing channel for you. So get into the system, have a play, have a bit of an experimentation. It isn't that different from Meta or from Google. So if you're familiar with those platforms, you'll easily become familiar with Reddit. Give it a go, do some testing, and let me know how it goes in the comment section. We'll see you next time.